Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to control VPN from Android Control Center. If you want to control your VPN from your control centers, let's see how can do this. First, you have to connect the VPN. So open VPN installed on your phone as I have installed this one. So just tap on it, and here just tap on connect to connect with your VPN. Just tap on it and it will be connected, and after that just go back, scroll down your control panel, and here you'll get if your device is connected to a VPN. Just tap on it, and here's you can see that this device is connecting to the internet through secure VPN. Your network actively including emails and browsing data is visible to the VPN provider. So you just have to tap on VPN settings, and here just tap on VPN and then tap on disconnected. So in this way you can easily control your VPN from Android Control Center. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.